In this video, we'll be going through some of the new features in Klaviyo and showing you how you can use them in your business. Hi, my name is Sydney, and I'm an email marketing specialist here at Flowium. Klaviyo is frequently releasing new features to their platform to make it easier for us as email marketers to analyze and increase the performance of our emails. Okay, for the SMS Assist, you're going to want to go into your campaigns and create an SMS campaign. Next, you're going to want to name it, include the list that you want to send to, continue to your content here, and this is where you'll see this light bulb. Then you click SMS Assistant. So we're going to say that this is a promotion and it is on winter apparel. Okay, and we're going to say it's 20% off winter apparel today only. And we're going to get ideas. So here it gives me 3 options, and the first 2 it'll say is 1 SMS credit, and the second one is a little bit longer and will be 2 SMS credits. So you can choose from the list here of these 3 options, and I'm going to click today only, save 20% on our winter apparel, shop now. Then you would put the CTA here that you'd want to send people to. So I'll use our site as an example so you can just see how it looks here. So you can see this is only 1 SMS credit. If I were to choose the other options here, then this would be 2 SMS credits. So now that's done. We're able to save time and create copy for this SMS campaign in less than a minute. It's important that you give the SMS assistant some detail here. 1 to 2 sentences is really all you need. So it definitely will make this a lot easier for you to create SMS campaigns and save you lots of time in the process. Speaking of SMS, you can now request a New Zealand short code. To do this, head over to your settings, go over to SMS, and you can see here New Zealand short code, click this to activate. So now you're able to expand the reach of your business and reach out to more people even further than you could before. Another really exciting feature that I've personally been waiting for is A/B testing SMS within Flows. To do this, you're going to want to head over to your Flows tab, choose the flow that you want to use this on, find your SMS, here's the one I want to use, and we're going to create an A/B test. So you can see here, the copy says 20% off today only, shop now with the link. So I want to test to see if adding an emoji will make a difference with the performance of this SMS. So we're going to click over here, add an emoji, save and exit, and then you're able to publish this test. I'm personally really excited about this as an email marketer because now we can use SMS within the flows the same way that we've been using emails to further optimize our message, to see what will increase our conversion, click rate, open rate, all of that. So I personally am excited to use this in the future, and I hope that you are too, to use this within your own business. This next feature is definitely the coolest one in my opinion. Now we're able to create in-editor product feeds. So what does that mean? It means we can create dynamic product blocks and we can add filters for which categories we want to include and exclude. So I'll show you an example here. I just have a template that Klaviyo offers, and we're going to go in and add a product block. Here you can see we have some product feeds and we can create one. Let's make this one, electronics. And what should the customer view first? Let's say best selling over the last 90 days. And we're going to filter where the products include electronics. So we're going to use the Smart Collection Aviation Electronics here. And then we're going to add a filter and where the category excludes. So we are going to exclude bows, because this is a collection that they never offer discounts with. So we're going to add this and this because those are the collections that include that brand. And this way now, when we create the product feed, it won't show the products that are that brand. So this makes it a lot easier for us to not accidentally offer discounts on products that can't be included. And it just makes it so much more user-friendly as well to see what's included. So now you can see if we go into preview and test, you'll see that there's a few different electronic product blocks in there. And that is how that one works.
Hey, it means world to us if you click subscribe and hit the bell button, because it helps our channel to grow and gives us ability to produce content for free for you.